Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel and you're watching none other than Diana. And today we all are going for a weekend lunch. Yes, in this heat we are all going out for a weekend lunch because I'm bored sitting at home and I had to go out somewhere, and my sister, she's one big foodie, so every time we decide to go some nice place to eat. We were planning for cafes, but we had a late night movie yesterday. It was a movie night yesterday and we couldn't get up early in the morning, and we had to cancel that program for a coffee outing, and then we decided to go out for a lunch, and we are going to a nice place. I have already been this place earlier, so this is my second visit. So stay tuned with me and check it out where we are going. We are finally at AB's and we are going to have our barbecue. So let's enjoy the barbecue in AB's. Say hello. We all are pink today. It's a pink weekend. So it's a pinky weekend. So we all are twinning, whatever. Lumpy, please enjoy your fuchkas. अभी तो बारबेक्यू आया भी नहीं, तुम क्या एंजॉय स्टार्ट करिए? अभी मैं So here comes our barbecue. I'm going to take more of fish and prawn. Fish. This is my fish, my prawn. It's a chicken burger and crispy prawns. And I'm going to stick to mainly fish and prawns because I'm avoiding chicken right now. So let's enjoy. তুই ঠিক রিকোয়েস্ট করে এসেছিস। Someone is celebrating the anniversary. You can also celebrate your birthday, anniversary over here. They do celebrate it in a very special way. They'll give you complimentary cake They will arrange a crown and they'll sing songs for you. They'll put a banner. Some kind of arrangements are there for your celebration. So you can also celebrate your birthday and anniversary. Just let them know that was a special day. Next starter is chicken wings. This is chicken wings. Chicken wings, fish and chicken shish kebab. I took very little because I'm not eating chicken, so I'm just going to taste a bit. So here comes our masala cola because we're going to eat a lot and we really need this masala cola. This is a very big meal for us today. This is famous Miku's plate. Healthy and yummy. লাইক করলে কি হবে তা বলে ডাল আমার Why you said you're going to survive on pizza? You're going to, yes, you told me you're going to survive on pizza. So why dal now? By mistake. You told me you can survive on pizza in USA. Okay, then you survive on pasta and you will not eat dal. Go and bring pasta. Akri pasta. Alveda. Arkichu. তো তুলবো না তোকে তুই খাচ্ছিস এত সুন্দর করে. Our special guest today, our special guest is Rumpi and this is my second visit, but Rumpi's first visit. So how you're enjoying Rumpi and Avis? How you're enjoying in Avis?
Done with the starters.
So now you're up to what?
Dessert.
After starters, dessert.
You know I love dessert.
Let's go to Vishkri.
Yeah.
So let's try some
come through there.
Mundu Matha. Let's try some octopus and squids. Octopus and squids, Miku? Miku is not up to octopus and squids, but we want to try. Last time I tried, it was like a khichdi and I couldn't experience every item separately. So this time I'm going to make all the items separately. So let's see how. Someone is enjoying jeera aloo and here I am going for trying octopus. अच्छा আমাকে স্কুইড আর অক্টোপাস দুটো সেপারেটলি বানিয়ে দিন
তো মিক্স হবে স্কুইড আর
না মিক্স না আলাদা
আলাদা করে মিক্স
ঠিক আছে তাহলে মিক্স করে দিন শুধু স্কুইড আর অক্টোপাস
একটা বানিয়ে ঠিক আছে আমি টেবিলে সার্ভ করব
আচ্ছা একটু দেখান আমাকে I'm going to try octopus. So this is the squid I'm going to try. আর অক্টোপাস
दोनों मिक्स है
কি করে বুঝবো অক্টোপাসে পা দেখা যাচ্ছে না তো
এই ছোট ছোট গুলো
এই যে অক্টোপাস এন্ড স্কুইড ঠিক আছে
বানিয়ে টেবিলে
হ্যাঁ একটা বানিয়ে দিই এখানে কি আছে
হান্ডি মটন চিকেন বিরিয়ানি
হান্ডি মটন আর চিকেন বিরিয়ানি হান্ডি মটন আর চিকেন বিরিয়ানি Ruby, how many dessert you're going to try? Oh my god, there's a lot of dessert.
Let's see.
I just hate that jelly. There's ice cream, brownie. So we have gulab jamun. Ki jano bolo ta? Gulab jamun. So this is my squid and octopus. You can see where is the squid. This is the squid and the octopus. I have to find the octopus. Where is the octopus? I don't know. They are telling it's mixed in it. So yeah, this is the octopus leg that you can see. But I must say that this time the quality has really decreased. Last time that we came, they gave a good quantity of squid and octopus and they prepared it very nicely. But this time I don't know, like a confuse they gave. And it's full of onion and I'm not getting to see the octopus at all. They're saying it's mixed in this one, but I'm not liking this one. Rupees plate. And what you're eating, Rupi, please tell.
I'm eating Chinese and Bengali mix, basmati pulao, mutton, and egg fried rice with chili chicken.
And papad, your
And
favorite?
papad, yeah.
Miku finally ate something. She ate chicken biryani and mutton once only. Finally, my plate is here and you can see this is mutton, salad, fish. What fish is this? Katla fish and basmati pulao, my all-time favorite. So, toot paro. I know you people are having a lot of questions that March ke fork diye khai. Ami khai because I have done my nails, so ami khai fork diye shopkichu. Bangari favorite March. The Guinness World Record dessert. Good. It's good to maintain good health, not like me growing fat and fat and fat. हाँ chocolate বানিয়ে দেবে লোক নেবার বানিয়ে দেবে अंगूरी बदन की একটা গান আছে না কি একটা যেন গান আছে এই अंगूरी शाम নাকি একটা আছে না No, tell me the proper song now. What is that Anguri word?
Anguri badan is there. Yeah, Anguri shama.
So here comes the dessert with brown. This is mine with brownie, vanilla, ice cream, and chocolate syrup. And this is my sister's vanilla and chocolate with sprinkles. So let's dig in. And for dessert, let's cheers. Cheers. আনন্দ সহকারে খা ডেজার্ট খাচ্ছিস হেসে হেসে খা একটু স্মাইল বসে থেকে খায় শুধু খুশি দেখা মুখে এতটাও খুশি দেখাতে বলিনি people, the room, the waiters, the behaviors were very friendly. lose weight in this way? Yes. Do you think I'm going to lose weight in this way?